It's your motherfucking boy A to the dot, live in the wreck. I ain't really into all this YouTube shit. I mean, I just got a new computer, so motherfucker got a webcam on this bitch, so I guess I'm gonna rap for y'all niggas, but that's some light shit, like, listen to it now. Here we go. And it's a Jalo beat too, like, here we go, like. Hit him, chest, I got you. It's, chopping bag clip. I got my fucking haircut and shit. Look, all eyes on me, I'm the center of attention. I be Cadillac pimpin'. I forget to mention that we in VIP. We been straight ballin', all drinks on me. I got a question, who flyer than me? Two-steppin' with a swag, ABO to the T. Pull a stack out, girls running to me like a track meet. My money longer than Shaq feet, you dig me? If you ain't speaking, we ain't speaking. I'm looking for a thick, long hair Puerto Rican. Halloween, I'm looking for a trip that's treating. This shit is so light, man, I do it every weekend. Don't leave your girl around me. My nickname Dot. As soon as she see me, I bet you her panties drop. Fuck a buzz, that's something we been had. All you niggas dick eating, I swore I had crabs,